Hello viewers, to make this delicious chicken noodle soup, you will start by preparing your chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. Go ahead and season them with salt and pepper and then brown them on a pan just really quickly to give them a nice flavor and as well as texture. You could skip this step though if you don't like to brown the chicken. But once it's ready, go ahead and take it off the pan. And then place your chicken in a deep pot and add in water. I do have all the measurements in the description box. Cover the chicken and simmer it. On the same pan you fried the chicken, add in your garlic and cook it for a few seconds. And then go ahead and add yellow onion and celery. Again, I have all these measurements in the description box, but this is a flexible enough recipe that you could adjust the measurements. Go ahead and fry those until they cook down a little bit, like so. Now add your onion, celery, and garlic mixture onto the chicken, and next thing is going to be adding the carrot. So mix all those in, and then we will move on with the next step. But also, please do check out my notebooks on Amazon, among other publications. And if you wish to support me, I would really appreciate. Please grab yourself some copies. Now you will add your pasta onto the chicken soup. I'm using Rotini, but I think many types of pasta would work just fine. Boil that for about 5 or 6 minutes and then take the chicken out because at this point is well cooked, and go ahead and pull your chicken. You could use a fork to just simply pull it apart. You could also dice it like with a knife, whichever way you like, but like reduce the chicken to bite-sized kind of pieces. If any small pieces broke off the chicken like these ones, just leave them in there. Once you're done shredding or pulling your chicken, add it back in and then just mix it in and simmer for maybe 1 or 2 more minutes and your meal is ready. Oh yeah, I did add some seasoning, Italian seasoning, and some parsley and additional salt to taste. So mix those in, it gives it a really nice look, and also the aroma is awesome. Yeah, and once your meal is ready, go ahead and serve it and enjoy. That's the end of this video, guys. Thank you for checking it out, and I hope you love it as much as I do. I will see you in another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.